Hello, welcome to Estefa Enseña. Today we're going to learn about connectors of cause and effect. Los conectores de causa y efecto. Bueno, algunos. Uno de ellos es as a result, que es como resultado. I want to help other people to achieve their goal. As a result, I became a teacher. También tenemos therefore, que es por lo tanto. It was a sunny day, therefore I could wear shorts. Consequently, que es consecuentemente. I studied English, consequently I passed the exam. Due to, que es debido a. Couldn't arrive early due to I missed the bus. Es because, que es por qué, para contestar. Can't relax the day after tomorrow because I don't work on Sundays. Por último te voy a enseñar in order to. I made this video in order to teach you this language. Thanks for being part of my community and don't forget, Estefa te enseña. See you next time.